R07 House by 23o5Studio in Vietnam. In Saigon's urban environment context, this idea is a proposal for constructing houses fitted to the typical long and thin architectural style. Due to the compounding impacts of economic growth and urban development, Saigon's population density and urbanization are rising faster every year. As a result, many people want to live in a place that is near to nature and feels peaceful and rejuvenating, where they can enjoy the sun's rays and the caress of the wind. The primary objective of the house's design remains centered on its adaptation to the prevailing hot and humid tropical climate in the locality. This adaptation aims to provide effective ventilation and ample natural lighting within the structure, creating a comfortable interior atmosphere and promoting a sense of well-being. The transformations in the natural world. This is the rationale for establishing rear verandas, which create a shaded area on the structure's exterior. This design feature aids in mitigating the adverse effects of sunshine and intense solar radiation on the interior areas, particularly during the summer season in Saigon. The house's interior is intentionally planned with open and interconnected functional areas, creating gaps that enhance the aesthetic appeal and spatial perception. The ingress of natural light into the rooms is facilitated by the presence of apertures on the two facades of the dwelling, and a vertical aperture. Furthermore, the dwelling will benefit from consistent airflow throughout the year, as cool breezes permeate the inside from many angles, meandering through the various areas before dissipating via the roof and open doors on the facade.